All right, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. This is how we made $561 today trading ES and NQ. We ended up taking a break even on NQ, and then we ended up coming back and winning on ES. I'm going to run through them really quick. The full trade recap is going to be out on YouTube in a little bit. Again, if you guys want to join the Discord, I'll post the link in the comments, but I have all the when I was entering the trade, like all that stuff like that posted in here. So yeah, you can go check that out. I'll post that in the comments, but I'm going to run through this really quick. So first of all, on NQ, we had an initial dump, obviously off the open, and we kept coming down lower. Then we ended up sweeping out the Asia low. So from here, I was kind of looking for longs up to fill in that 15-minute fair value gap up there. So I ended up looking for the highest time frame inversion, and we ended up getting a 2-minute inverse, ended up entering somewhere on the retest, and I moved my stop loss to break even here because at this same time ES was respecting a 15-minute bearish fair value gap. So I ended up getting stopped out of that NQ trade break even, and as you can see, ES was hovering and respecting this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. So luckily I did move that break even, and from there I seen that ES was obviously in bearish order flow, and it still had those New York PM lows from yesterday below. So I figured if we could hold that 15-minute bearish fair value gap to find an entry, we could hit shorts down to those New York PM lows. So from there, I basically just scaled down again, look for the highest time frame inversion. First entry here was on the 2-minute inverse. We inversed this 2-minute gap right here, came back in and retest, entered it. We ended up chopping around for a bit, and then I closed it out break even because I wanted to see if NQ could continue to respect bearish order flow. So then I went back over to NQ. I seen that NQ was continuing to respect this bearish for value gap in here. I believe it was a 1-minute. Yeah, this big 1-minute bearish for value gap. So from there, I seen that the strength was correlating bearish. So from there, I went back to ES, ended up entering pretty much the same entry around 66, 69, stops above the wick high, and I targeted one take profit at the New York PM low, and I manually closed it out because I think it actually edged it. So I have that trade recorded as well. I'm going to post it in the Discord, but that's going to wrap it up for me. Full trade recap out in about an hour, and I'll see you guys in the next one.